Hello guys, welcome back, and let's hop right into it. I'm gonna do some examples, and you're gonna do the rest. I hope this will be easy, and let's hop right into it. Okay, let's look at number 8. It says 5 is greater than, less than, or equal to 29. Wow, we usually do the idea of look at the first number, but for example, this one doesn't have that. Well, if we do that, we might think of, oh, 5 is greater than 2. So therefore, this is right. But you're wrong because 29 has 2 digits and 5 only has 1. So let's make that even. So we put a 0 as like a placeholder. So now there's 2 digits, and this also has 2 digits. Okay. Now we can compare the numbers from the left side. So 2 is greater than 0 before this side is the greater one. Always go for the greater one because the signs are always hungry. Yang, 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 yang. Yeah, that looks like a weird fluffy ball thing. Okay, but that's always hungry. It always goes for the bigger number. So bigger number always wins. Okay, let's look at number 18 for multiplication. This is 9 times 10. One way we could solve this is make 9 or 10 groups, and I put 9 or 10 dots, either one. This one's going to be 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, but basically fill all of these and then count them. Or you could count by tens if you're good at that. Since there's... Okay, let's say x is basically 10, okay? To make this faster. So, this is basically 1, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that's 90. Another way is doing your multiplication tables. Another way is that a little easy rule to remember is that any number from 1 through 10 is going to, well, yeah, actually, no, any number in the base 10, you're going to put a 0 at the end, or like the amount of zeros. For example, 9 times 10 is 90, but 9 times 100 is 900. Those two zeros go into there. And this works for like 10. 10 times 10, that's 100. You combine those zeros together. That's the base 10 rule. Okay, now let's look at division. 28 divided by 2. So first number hops in here, second number stay outside, and then we see which number goes in here. So how many times can 2 go into 2? That's 1, because 2 times 1 is 2, and that fits. That's 0. Drop it down. So drop the second number down. That answers. So the next part is 8. But since there's another slot, we have to put another number in. How many times can 2 go into 8? 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 4 is 8. So 2 can go into 8 4 times. And that's 2 times 4 is 8. That's going to cancel out. That's going to be 0. So that means there's no remainder. And the answer is 14. If there is like a number, for example, if it's 9 and there's that, That's called a remainder. And if you don't want a remainder, you could add a 0 or something. Put that in. And that's going to turn into a decimal. But that's later, not now. Okay. Now, let's look at the last example. There are a total of 50 states in the United States. Johnny has been to 29 of them. How many states has he not been yet? So we're looking for how many states he hasn't gone to. And if there's a total of 50, that's basically like the sum. So there's 50. And since we're trying to find basically the rest of the states, he have not gone to. So you subtract that by the states he went to, which is cross 10 minus 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So he hasn't been to 21 states. And that's it. Remember to write your units. And I hope this was simple. That's it. Thanks for watching. And have fun doing your math. See you next time. Bye.